Hello, folks, and happy holidays to all. As we mark the end of the year 2021 at St. Lawrence College, I want to give thanks for everything our community has given all year long. To our students, you have inspired all of us with your energy and your drive. And as you continue your academic journey, please know that all of us at SLC are here to help you, and we are cheering you on. To our SLC support staff, our incredible team that has worked so hard this year to help our students and keep our college operations running smoothly. And to our managers and other employees who help guide strategic initiatives and drive community engagement. The list of everything you do is long, so I will keep it short. Thank you for doing work that makes a difference. And to our faculty who make it all come together, translating knowledge into skills and education, I thank you for your adaptability, your dedication, and your teamwork. All of our SLC students and employees make us so proud to be SLC. And as our world emerges from the pandemic and more students return to on-campus learning, I look forward to seeing everyone in the halls. I couldn't miss mentioning SLC's community partners and employers, the people and organizations that advocate for our college, partner with us on projects that help us grow and let our students shine. And lastly, a word of thanks to our alumni and donors. You make a world of difference to us at SLC. In a year where so many were navigating so much, your generosity supporting our college and our students have made a remarkable difference. Thank you to each and every one of you for the ways you've given and continue to give to keep our community strong and our students thriving. Here's to a new year of continued connection, community, and recovery from the pandemic. I wish all of you a rejuvenating holiday season, and however you celebrate and wherever you are, I hope you, like me, are grateful for SLC and the people who make up our community. Thank you and happy holidays.